Okay, so now we're done putting vegetables in here. And I just put a little hot sauce in the cabbage because I like hot sauce. You don't have to do it. But making sure these vegetables are all around. Okay. So y'all got some room to cook. Put the tin foil back on if you can. If not, just make a new piece. But I'm going to try to put it back on. And then put it back in the oven for at least another hour or until, you know, you see fit. But I'm going to do like probably another hour or two just to make sure the meat is good. Alright, 4 right there. That should be fine though. Okay, so it's going back in here carefully. So the cornbread and the rice and the cabbage is about done. Well, cornbread is done. I actually burnt it, actually. No, just, yeah. That's almost done, and that's done. So now we're waiting on the roast.